Why is checking the brake pad, luffing brake, and hoisting gear critical before handing over the ship? Tai sao việc kiểm tra brake pad, luffing brake và hoisting gear quan trọng truoc khi ban giao tao?
Well, Chief, checking the brake pad, luffing brake, and hoisting gear on our Liebherr crane ensures safe cargo handling, prevents brake failure, and confirms the crane meets design load capacity per SMS for safety. It avoids accidents like cable slip or cargo drop and ensures compliance for PSC flag, class, and vetting inspections per MARPOL for environmental protection. Why this way? It protects crew lives and company reputation, Chief. Per ISM for readiness. I log results in the crane maintenance log, ready for handover, per PMS for maintenance. A cool tip. Remember, safe. Safety first. Avoid failure. Full check. Ensure logs for importance. And if you're looking for a ship job, Crewvn is hiring. Contact Ms. Thu at 032-680-6954 or Zalo 0904515857 for bulk carrier roles. Vang Mei Truong, KMTRA brake pad, luffing brake via hoisting gear, Tren Kao Liber Dam Bao Shu Li Hang and Tuan. Ngan Hong Thang, và Zak Nan Kao Dat Tai Trong Thiet Ke, Theo SMS Vi and Tuan. No Tran Tai Nan Nu Truat Kap Hok Roy Hang và Dam Bao Tuan Thu Cho Kiem Tre PSC, flag class for vetting. Theo Marpo, Bao Ve Moi Truong. Tai Sao Lam Ve, Bao Ve Mang Song Crew Vadan Tieng Kong Tai, Mei Truong, Theo Ism Visan Sang. Toi Gi Log Bao Crane, maintenance log, San Sang Ban Jiao. Theo PMS Ve Bao Tri, Meon Gao, no side. Safety first, avoid failure, full check, ensure logs. Chotam Quan Trong. Banyo Bandang Tim Viek, Crewvn Tu Yen, Lien He Miss Thu 0326-806954 Hoak Zalo 0904515857 D Team VS Tren Tao Hang Roy.
Checking these components before handover is not just a routine, it's a commitment to safety, compliance and readiness for the entire crew and vessel.
What tools and documents do you prepare for checking the crane before handover, and why are they essential? An chuan bin hung dong ku va tai liu gi de kiem tra kao truok ban jiao, va tai sao chung kan thiet.
Sure, Chief. I prepare gloves, safety harness, lock tag system, torque wrench, feeler gauge, grease gun, solvent cleaner, crane technical manual, delivery form, LMI calibration certificate, and crane maintenance log sheet per PMS for maintenance. Why essential? Tools ensure precise checks like brake pad thickness, Chief, while documents prove compliance per ISM for readiness. PSC requires certificates and logs to avoid detention, per MARPOL for safety. A pro tip, remember tools. Torque wrench, organize logs, operate safely, LMI checked, secure PPE for prep. And for job opportunities, contact Crewvn at Zalo 0904515857 for bulk carrier roles. Chak Chan Roy, Mei Truong, Toi Chuan Bigang Te, Dian Toan, He Thong Koa the Kolaluk, Tuak La, Sung Bam Mo, Dung Dich Lamsak, Crane Technical Manual, Delivery Form, Chung Nan Hu Chuan LMI, the Crane Maintenance Log Sheet, Theo PMS Vibao Tree, Tai Sao Kan Thiet, Dung Kudam Bao Kiem Trachin, Zak, Nudo De Mafan, Mei Truong, Trong Kitai Liu Chung Min Tuan Thu, Theo Ism Besan Sang, PSC Yukao Chung Nan Valog de Trang Yu Tao, Theo Marpol Ve and Toan. Mayo Pro No Tools. Torque wrench, organize logs, operate safely, LMI checked, secure PPE, Cho Chuan B. Vadetim Viech, Liane Crewvn, Quazalo 09045158, Bei Cho Tao Hang Roy.
Having the right tools and documents ready is honestly the foundation for a smooth and compliant crane handover.
Can you walk me through the step-by-step process for checking the brake pad, and why each step is important? Anko the Huang Dan Tong Buok Kiem, Tray brake pad, via Tai Sao Moi Buok Quan Trong?
Sure, Chief. For checking brake pads, per instruction book. First, I lock out and tag out power to prevent accidental operation per SMS for safety. I remove the brake cover, checking bolts for rust per PMS for maintenance. I measure pad thickness with a vernier caliper, ensuring greater than or equal to 5 mm per manual. I inspect for uneven wear, burns, or cracks, replacing if needed, Chief. I check the brake drum for wear, clean dust, and verify spring tension and hydraulic mechanism, ensuring proper clamping per MARPOL for safety. Finally, I confirm spring-applied brake releases with power and clamps without, per ISM for compliance. Why this way? Each step prevents brake failure, Chief, avoiding cargo drop, ensuring safety. A cool Hackman nut long lech do ket for brake checks, and for job opportunities, contact Crewvn at Zalo 0904515857 for bulk carrier roles. Chak Chan Roy, Mei Truong, De Kiemtra brake pad, Theo instruction book. Dao Tien, Toi Koa Vagan, the Nguan the Ningan Van Han Voi, Theo SMS Van Toan, Toi Thao Nap Fan, Kiem Trabulongi, Theo PMS Vibao Tree, Toi do de ma fan bang thua cap dam bao lon hon hoak bang nam millimet theo manual. Toi kiem tra mon kong du che hok nut they nu kan me truong. Toi kiem tra drum fan mon lam sach bui va zak min luk lo sova kokao thui luk dam bao kep dung theo marple vean toan. Koi kong toi zak nan fan lo so the kiko dien va kep kimat theo ism ve tuantu. Tai sao lam ve. Moi buok ngan hong pan me truong tran roi hang dam bao and toan. Meon gao mont nut long lek do ket cho kiem tra fan. Vaditim Vich, Len He Crewvn-CMD 0904515 Tam Nam by Cho Tao Hang Roy.
Following each step in the brake pad check is really what keeps operations safe and reliable for everyone on board.
How do you check the hoisting gear, and what issues do you look for? An Kiem TRA hoisting gear nu the now, Vatim Kiem Nhung Vandagi.
Chief, for hoisting gear, I inspect the hoisting drum for wear, cracks, or burrs. Check wire rope for more than 5% broken strands or fraying. Test upper and lower limit switches. Ensure pulleys and sheaves spin freely without rust. And grease bearings, per PMS for maintenance. Mei Truong, Cho hoisting gear, Toi Kiem Tra drum Toimon, Nut, Hoch Babia, Kiem Tra Day Cap Nusoi Gay Han Nam Fun Tram Hoch Bung. Test Kong Tak Gioi Han Tren Duoi. Dam Bao Rong Roksoi Tu Du Kongi Vaboy Movongi Theo PMS Vebao Tree.
Why this way?
Issues like broken wires or stuck pulleys cause lifting failures. Chief, risking cargo drop per marple for safety. Van de Nu Day, Gay Ho Truong Rock Ket Gay Hong Nang, Mei Truong, Rui Ro Roy Hang, Theo Marple Van Toan. I log all in the crane maintenance log, per SMS for compliance. Toi Gi Log Vao Crane Maintenance Log, Theo SMS Ve Tuan Thu. A pro tip drum check, rope inspect, upper lower limits, maintain grease for hoisting gear. Mio Pro drum check, rope inspect, upper lower limits, maintain grease chotoi. And for job opportunities, contact Crewvn at Zalo 09045515857 for bulk carrier roles. Vadatim Viek, Lienhe Crewvn-CMD 09045515857 Chotao Hang Roy.
How do you check the luffing gear, and why is it critical for safe operation? An Kiem Tra luffing gear nu the now, Va Tai Sao No Quan Trong Cho Van Han and Tuan.
Sure, Chief. For luffing gear, I check the luffing cylinder for oil leaks, seals, and bolts, verify counterbalance valve holds pressure, ensure hydraulic pressure is about 180 to 220 bar, and inspect brake disc for wear, per PMS for maintenance. Chak Chen Roy, Mei Truong, Cho luffing gear. Toi Kiem Tra Si Lan Luffing Ro Dao, Seal Va Bu Long Zak Min Van Kan Bang, Jiu Ap Swat, Dam Bao Ap Tui Luk Kwang Mot Tram Tam Mui Den Hai Tram Hai Mui Bar, Va Kiem Tra Dia Fan Mon, Theo PMS Febao Tree.
Why critical?
Faulty luffing gear can cause boom collapse, Chief, risking crew and cargo per marple for safety. Luffing gear Hong Ko the Lam Goop Can, Mei Truong, Rui Rocho Crew Vahang, Theo Marple Vian Toan. I log checks in the crane maintenance log per SMS for compliance, ready for PSC. Toi Gi Log Vao Crane maintenance log, Theo SMS Vetuan Thu, Sansang Cho PSC. A pro tip luff leaks check under pressure, fault-free valve, firm bolts for luffing gear. Mayo Pro luff leaks check under pressure, fault-free valve, firm bolts, Cho luffing gear. And for job opportunities, contact Crewvn at Zalo 09045515857 for bulk carrier roles. Vada Tim Viek, Linhe Crewvn-CMD 09045515857 Chotao Hang Roy.
Crewvn is hiring AB, oiler, engine cadet, bosun with LABI, NMF, IHI crane experience for container and general cargo ships, from 10,000 to 65,000 DWT, with competitive salaries. Crewvn Taishan AB, oiler engine cadet, bosun co keen gegeshim kurilai befur, NMF, IHI choto container hull. Oi, Mikey Inchinin U and Salomon Ki Lu Kum Tran.
Contact us on Zalo OA at #Crewvn-CMD Shipping, or reach out directly to me, Miss Ngok, at 09411138080. Lien He Zalo OA #Crewvn-CMD Shipping, host Lien He Trup Tiep Voin Gok Kwa Kong Chin Bon Mot Ba Kong Tam Kong.
Or you can call me Miss Huang An at 077-9268-188. Hotskoi Cho Huang An Kwa So Kong Bei Bei Chin Hai Sao Tam Mot Tam Tam. You can also use our shared Zalo at 09045155857. Hosts just drop by our office on the 5th floor, room 518, 337 Da Nang, Hải Phòng. ban kong ko, the dong Zalo chong kong chin kong bon nam mot nam tam nam bay. Hoach gevan fong tang nam. Fong nam mot tam batram ba mui bay Da Nang Hai Fong.
Visit Crewvn, grab a tea, secure a job, and connect with the maritime community. Jay Shrodabu Van Ungtra, Tot Job, Va Kutni and Aim Hana.
Thanks for supporting Crewvn, and let's keep the maritime profession strong tuan. Cam on su ung ho cho Crewvn, va kung ju vung ngi may bien Vietnam, tuan ne.